Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to this channel, Toloba Lingala. Let us speak Lingala. Um, if you are a person whose first language is English and you'd like to know this beautiful language called Lingala and how it is beautifully mixed with French and Lingala Sheng and other languages like Kikongo, then you're in the right place. The only thing you need to do, subscribe to our channel, click that bell so that every time I upload a video, you'll be able to know that the video is there, the new video is there, so that you can benefit. This channel is for you. If you have any suggestions, anything, for maybe you have started learning Lingala already, and there's something that you'd like me to address, just post in the comments in any of the videos that you're going to watch on this channel, and I will make a video about it. Doesn't matter whether it's grammar, French words, Lingala words, verbs, anything, translation or anything. It will be done for you. This channel is an interactive channel. So just subscribe, click on the bell, and let's move on the journey together. Feel welcome.